Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best 4K GPS drone. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is Drone 4 DRC F13 4K Camera Pro. Specifications: brand name, Xiaomi. Category, camera drone. Aircraft operating frequency, 2.4 GHz. Drone weight, 0.2. Camera mount type, 3-axis gimbal. GPS, yes. Connectivity, app controller. Control channels, 4 channels. Flight time, 28 minutes. Remote distance, about 3 km. Sensor size, 1 to 6.0 inches. Origin, mainland China. Number 4 on our list is new F5s PRO Drone. Specifications: brand name, Xiaomi. Model, F5s. Aircraft operating frequency, 2.4 GHz. Drone battery capacity, 7.4 volts 2000 mAh. Drone weight, 0.6 kilograms. GPS, yes. Connectivity, app controller. Control channels, 4 channels. Flight time, 28 minutes. Remote distance, about 3 km. Sensor size, 1 to 5.0 inches. Camera integration, camera included. Camera features, 4K HD video recording. Charging time, about 4 hours. Origin, mainland China. Number 3 on our list is SJRC F7 4K Pro Camera Drone. Specifications: brand name, F5. Model number, SJRC F7 4K Pro. Category, camera drone. Aircraft operating frequency, 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz. Camera mount type, 3-axis gimbal. GPS, yes. Control channels, 4 channels. Flight time, 31 minutes. Remote distance, 3 kilometers. Camera integration, camera included. Camera features, 2.7K HD video recording. GPS function, yes. Battery type, 11.1 volts 2600 mAh. Number 2 on our list is Xiaomi Mini Drone. Specifications: brand name, null. Category, camera drone. App supported languages, English, simplified Chinese. Aircraft operating frequency, 2.4 GHz. Drone weight, 150 grams. GPS, yes. FPV operation, yes. Connectivity, app controller. Flight time, 20 minutes. Sensor size, 1 to 3.0 inches. Camera integration, camera included. Camera features, 1080p HD video recording. Origin, mainland China. Number 1 on our list is Potensic Mini Drone. Specifications: brand name, Potensic. Camera mount type, 3-axis gimbal. Model number, Atom. Flight time, 2030. Control channels, 4 channels. Motor, brushless motor. Warranty, 30 days. Power source, electric. Charging time, 1.5 hours. Remote distance, 6 km. Type, helicopter. Material, plastic. State of assembly, ready to go. Features, app controlled. Certification, CE.